Hi you guys, welcome back to today's video. It is a Christmas decorate with me. It is Christmas tree decorating, and I have included some tips to help you when you're decorating your Christmas tree. And if you are new here, my name is Carla and this is Carla's Sweet Life. So if you end up enjoying this video, I would love if you guys hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have a Christmas 2020 playlist going, so make sure to check it out. I'll leave it in the iCards and in the description for you guys as well. And let's get to fluffing this lovely tree. And as many of you guys know, fluffing your tree is a great way to make your tree look fuller. Okay, so my husband said to undo them, and it was the second one that I did, and I was able to get this little section. I'm so glad. I got so lucky just having to look at two. I think it was just loose because I took it out and then the lights turned on and my husband said to put it back in and then it lit up. So it was that little one right there. So I have been seeing other YouTubers do this, and I really think it's a great tip. Typically, I leave all of my decorations for the tree in a box or in the bin, and laying them out, just really looking at what you have and the style you're going for is a great way to look at everything you have. So that is my next tip, is to just lay out all of your items for the Christmas tree just so you can get a better style, and that way you can see everything all at once. And if you guys hear some noise, that was Abigail. She was playing with the little something and she's just sitting here with me. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over. And you're going to see that I started here with this ribbon, but I did end up changing it around. And don't be afraid to think outside the box. I definitely had to go a different route than what I originally thought about. So just go with that gut feeling. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? So I just wanted to show you guys up quickly. So this is Tulle, I believe is what it's called, but it's from the Dollar Tree, and this is from Kirkland's, but I just layered it, and then I would twist a tree branch around it just so it wouldn't move when I'm, you know, pulling it all down. Make sure you keep going because it looks funny just by itself. Making our Christmas memories. And if my ribbon is cascading down, I like to loop and tuck it in. And like I told y'all, I just used a tree branch to kind of hold it in place. So loop and tuck in, and you can make these loops as small as you want or as big as you want. Just play around with what you think is the best. But today I would say I did about 12 to 18 inches of loops. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Okay, so I decided to add in this ribbon in between those. So yeah, I think I really like it. Only problem I ran into, and again, I just like pinched a tree branch, so it was like pretty tucked in there, or it appears to be really tucked in there. And then I actually ran out of it right here. So I just continued on with that one. So hopefully you can't tell too much, but we're just gonna go with it. And I think I'm going to start adding the ornaments. And next are the ornaments. I do like to start with the bigger ornaments first. So that's what I'm doing. I'm starting with the bigger ones and then adding on the smaller ones. And I'm showing you guys some of them. Some of them I got last year and a few I got this year. I shared it in my Christmas decor haul if you want to check it out. The new ones that I did get this year were from Hobby Lobby though.
Christmas memories.
So I told y'all I would show these in my hot cocoa bar video, but these are the spoons I got from Amazon. Oh goodness, I'm holding Abby and trying to do this at the same time, so bear with me. But they are super cute. There's two more that are dirty, but look how cute they are. And they're just like little spoons for stirring. And just super cute. But I told y'all I would show y'all. So, and then I just have them in here. Just like that. I've been using this like every day. It's been chilly. And I think I'm going to finish the tree here in a little bit because Abby needs to be fed. And I'm just gonna relax with her for a little bit. But I think I'll show y'all the tree once I have it all put up. I just have to add like smaller ornaments. Say hi, baby. Oh goodness. Ah. What? You're so sweet. Yes, you are. Who's that beautiful baby? Huh? This is how it's looking so far. I think it looks really pretty. And then I just have like those smaller ornaments down there and these like picks and stuff I'm gonna add in. So I wasn't able to put the Christmas star on the very top for the topper, so I had to wait for my husband to do it. So make sure to stay till the end because I do share the full reveal, I guess, of the Christmas tree with the Christmas star topper. I just really think it makes a huge difference. And next I was just going to pick up all this mess that I had from decorating the Christmas tree. Alright you guys, I am debating on whether to put it in the corner or leave it here. The reason I like it right here is because you can see it when you walk in from the door, the front door. So I just think that just looks so pretty, you know? So I think it'll probably stay there. I may add, I have a little cute babe, like a chair I might add there just to fill up some of that space, but I really like it a lot.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
Alright, so I know I have a good amount of pillows, but y'all, these from Costco were terribly, amazingly soft. Like, wow. My son, Jake, totally convinced me to get these, but man, they are really, really soft. So, hoping it'll add a nice, cozy vibe.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Alright, what do y'all think? I think they're so soft. Hopefully it's not too many. I still have the red blankets, so it adds like Christmas colors, but oh. Hey sweetheart. Oh goodness, you want your toy?
Come on. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time.
Alright guys, here is the look. So let me know if I should move it to the corner. I just got to put all that away.
This song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
And here I am just showing you guys a quick overview of what the living area looks like with the desk and where I placed the new desk. If you guys watched that video, you know what I'm talking about. I moved all this around, and the tree and the living room, all the colors, all the Christmas colors. I just love it so much.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall.
And here very shortly you are going to see the Christmas tree the way we see it every single day now, and I absolutely love it with the Christmas star topper. It is the absolute best, and thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this and got a few tips from this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys have decorated or put up your Christmas tree yet. I would love to hear, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.
I will decorate the tree.